Hey guys, this is Mr. K and welcome to the first video of our digital art class. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to access the program we're going to use and show you guys how to draw a few things. Okay, so let's get to this. I assume that you guys are going to be working on your Chromebooks, so if you guys are sitting up front of it, I hope that you guys already have, like I do, an open Google starter page. Okay, so the program we're going to work with is called Pixler. So go ahead and type in the Google search bar Pixler, Pixlr, Pixel Editor. Wham. It will task you over here. Go ahead, click the first one. It should be the pixlr.com/editor. And here we are. This is the Pixel Editor. Okay, so you will have three options. You guys are going to have the create image, open new image from a computer, or open image from URL. Let's go create new image. Okay, neato. Don't worry about this yet. Just make sure you do not hit the transparent and hit OK. So here you go. Over here, you guys have your blank canvas. This is all blank part of your now soon to be great digital art skill. So before I'm gonna go with that, Pixlr is a cool thing about this. It's a free program. Runs on the computers. There's an app for your phone, and conveniently runs on the Chromebook too. Okay, it works almost as great as Photoshop, and it's easy to work with. So I'm gonna show you guys the basics of this. So first things first, I want to show you guys. You're gonna see me drawing a lot. Okay, this part over here. Boink. This part only. Okay, this is the part where we're going to start drawing with. Okay, so you're going to see there are a couple of things over here. There's a pencil, paintbrush, eraser, bucket, and some other stuff here. Okay, so if you guys ever worked with the Microsoft Paint, you guys probably know what's up. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just draw. I'm not asking you guys to do anything else. Just experience the bottom basic of that. So check this out. I want to click over here onto the pencil tool. Click it. Okay. So over here now, I'm going to start drawing. Whee! Whee! You guys can see there's lots of stuff happening over here. It's kind of weird, sketchy stuff. Okay. But nevertheless, it is art. Okay. So, yes, there's this cool option you guys can do, which we probably need to know how to erase stuff. So over here, there's the eraser thing. Okay, I'm going to click that. And now I'm going to erase stuff. Yay! Wow, it's almost like real life, Mr. K. Yeah, I know, kids, right? But it's pretty slow. But I can erase. So now, you guys can try to erase stuff if you guys want to, how much you guys want. Okay? But big thing from the very start, no matter what you do, if you work on the computer with this program or Photoshop or anything, a big thing to remember that will save your life is Control, CTRL, Z. What? It is a shortcut to go one step backwards. And all of a sudden, all the mistakes I've made, the step I just did, goes backwards. Like nothing. Again, Control Z. Okay? So now, I want to show you guys something else that's going to be important. So we're going to still work with, with this part over here, but also what we're going to go, okay, we're going to work with this part here. What? So notice this, watch out. So I'm going to go back and click on the pencil option. So all of a sudden, this part over here changed, okay? You guys can see that this says, there's a sketchy part, type, sketchy, size, opacity, and amount. So check this out. I will change this to, let's go plain. Okay, I'm gonna make things a little bit easier. Yeah, I'm going to change the plane, okay? And then I'm going to change the size a little bit more, okay? So now let's go back and do the same thing and draw. What to draw? Oh, I know. I'm going to draw on the right stuff. Potato. Nice. So all of a sudden, all this stuff I did, I changed the type, I changed the size, and works pretty well. So let's change this again. Let's go for an even bigger size. Let's see what's going to happen. What big thick lines. It's a mess, okay? So again, I'm going to use the magical Control Z. Like it was nothing there, okay? So let's go back to this and let's see what does the paintbrush option do. So I'm going to click here, brush tool. I'm going to go here. Again, you have different types of brushes, opacity, hard tip. Ooh, lots of cool options here. So let's see, I'm going to go with, whoa, look at all those types. You have so many options, guys, here. Okay, I'm going to go with the biggest one here. Whoa, that's a big thing. Okay, clearly I don't want to work with that. So I'm going to go Control Z and Control Z again. Okay, so there's lots of options here now. Okay, let's go. Let me show you guys how to change the color. So I'm going to change this to something smaller. Okay, yeah. But now, if you guys could notice here, if we're going to click this, you guys see you have this whole option of colors. And here you choose the main color. Here's the spectrum of it. Any color you want. I'm going to go with something more reddish. Yeah. Okay. When you choose the color, hit OK. And now, what? So much cool stuff. Okay. Cool. So those be the basics of that. Basic of drawing. But there's one more thing. I want you guys to focus also on this part here. That's going to help you guys a lot. So, I'm going back to the paintbrush. And I'm going to, I don't know, change the size on smaller. Okay. And I'm going to draw it another potato. Whee! It's a horrible potato. I'm going to change the color for black. Give it some cool shades. That's a potato. Okay. So, now, going back to this. This is my zoom in, zoom out part. So check this out. This bar over here, if I click it and grab it, I can make it smaller. I can make it bigger for details. Okay. You guys can also see when it gets smaller, there's a rectangle pop up on this part over here. I can grab this rectangle and move it around. You guys can see? Neato. So now, I showed you guys the basics of that, of how to draw, change colors, work with the paintbrushes, and change some options, and zoom in, zoom out. For the first part of this, I'm going to ask you guys to just take those skills and just draw, explore with this program, see what kind of crazy options you guys have. Okay? And I'll show you guys more stuff in the next video. Okay? I'll see you later and have a great day.